Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciShasTech. This is Amuk Kaliwa. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. In the last video, we compared two datasets with a different mean and standard deviation using the statistical concepts like coefficient of variance and standard score. In today's video, we'll understand the definition of normal distribution, its characteristics, and how to calculate the probability of normal distribution for different examples. Let us understand the definition and the characteristics of normal distribution. Normal distribution is the probability distribution which is symmetric about the mean. As you can observe from the pictorial representation, towards the positive of the mean and towards the negative of the mean, the data is symmetric. It also shows that the data near the mean is more frequent in occurrence than the data far away from the mean, which means 68% of the data is near to the mean, that is one standard deviation. And as you go away from the mean, that is 2 standard deviation, you have 95%, that is only 13.5% of the data. In the 3 standard deviation, you have only 2.15% of the data. Now let us understand some of the characteristics. Mean, median and mode are same for a normal distributed curve. This can also be observed from the pictorial representation. It has zero skewness. We have understood in the previous videos that there are two types of skewness: positive skewness and negative skewness. In positive skewness, the data is more deviated towards positive values. Similarly, in negative skewness, the data is more deviated towards negative values. From the pictorial observation, you can observe that the data is not skewed. Kurtosis of the data is 3. Which means that 99.7% of the data is under the values of 3. Area under the curve is 1. That is, the distribution of the data under the curve is 1. Now, let us understand how to calculate the probability of normal distribution for few of the examples. Example 1 of normal distributed curve. Here, a teacher is taking tuition for mathematics and he conducted a test. The results of the test were as follows. There were 100 students under the teacher. The average score of the students were 73.50 with a standard deviation of 16.38. Now, the teacher wants to know how much percentage of students were below 75 score. To identify this, let us calculate the Z or the standard score value using the formula x minus mu by sigma. Here x represents 75, that is the score which we want to identify. 73.5 is the mean value or the average score of all the students, and 16.38 is the standard deviation of all the students. Therefore, the Z score is 0.09. Now we want to identify all the students who are below 75. That is the area or the probability value below 75. Hence, probability of x less than 75 from the Z table is 0.5359, which represents that 53.59% of the students had scored less than 75. Let me share my screen and walk you through how to identify the probability value from normal distribution table. This is the normal distribution table. If you want to identify the probability value for Z 0.09, the first row and the last column represents the value, that is 0.5359. Similarly, if you want to understand the probability value for z is equal to 2, then the value is 0.9772. This way, the z table, that is the normal distribution table, helps us to provide the probability values. Now, let us understand example 2 and 3. Here we have two examples of application of normal distribution. In example 2, it is an electronic showroom company which has 10,000 customers with average spending of the customers as 25,000 rupees and a standard deviation of 500 rupees. Now, the electronic showroom company wants to offer packages, that is discount, for the people who are spending more than 26,000 rupees in the showroom. To identify this, we have calculated the z-score with 25,000 representing the mean and 500 the standard deviation. The z-score is 2, and from the table, that is normal distribution table, the probability value of people spending less than 26,000 is 97.22. Hence, we want to identify the people who are spending more than 26,000 rupees. That will be 1 minus 0.9722. That provides us the information that 2.28% of the customers spend more than 26,000 in the showroom. In example 3, the clients want to understand the speed patterns at a checkpoint, where the average speed of the vehicles at the checkpoint is 61 km per hour with the standard deviation of 4 km per hour. Now, the clients want to understand the next vehicle which is approaching the checkpoint has speed slower than 65 km per hour. To identify this, we calculate the z-score. 65 is the value which we want to identify. 61 is the mean of the speed with 4 as the standard deviation. Z-score is 1. Hence, probability of the value for x less than 65 from the normal distribution curve is 0.8413, which means that 84.13% of the vehicle which is approaching the checkpoint will have a speed less than 65 km per hour. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.